I'm learning to cook tonight.
And Mel's laying her ribs on the foil.
We have. What's that special guy in this?
This is a bit of a camping favourite of ours, isn't it?
They'll never know the gun. Mel.
Stretch that one out, Mel.
Mel.
Hey.
Say something.
Hello. I'm learning to cook ribs.
No.
Kind of a bit of a dicky one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Alright, here you go. What are you putting on there now?
I'm putting a little bit of Lane's Barbecue signature rub. Just a little sprinkling.
I've done that before.
How's that?
Alright. Now, we are going to put... Where did I put that sauce?
I didn't see you bring a sauce out.
It's in the cupboard. Oh.
Well, prepared earlier.
Thanks. Some sweet chili, ginger and wild lime sauce.
Yeah. Just
a little sprinkling? Or?
yeah, just sort of give it a pour over. It's not pouring very well, is it? Not pouring at all, is it?
No, not. With that.
Yep. And I always put a little bit of Queensland Finest in there as well, so I'll just go and get a bit of Queensland's Finest. Bit of mango juice.
Yep.
But, just to give it a bit of moisture.
We do like moist ribs.
Moist ribs are the way to go. Oh no. Now.
All these hands helping out, like tentacles.
We'll even put another. We'll put this much alcohol on because we've run out of alcohol.
I had some if I need it.
Because the OzBraii will actually squash that on anyway, so it'll hold it. So that'll lock it in. Alright.
Right.
And
I'll just
put some coals under it, and it'll basically steam them and cook them through. And then once they're cooked, then we'll take them out of the alfoil and we'll put them back in the rack and we'll hang them beside the fire to
and give them crisp.
Yeah.
Righto.
Okay.
So I need the shovel.
Set yourself a better coals up.
Can't wait.
Burn your face off.
You don't have a waxing appointment booked, I won't need it.
I didn't know. Yeah, did you put beer in it?
A little bit though.
Why is alcohol?
Because when you cook it,
Cooks off.
won't you?
Oh, we used to have another dog here. Called Bundy.
We put the frame over the coals. Perfect. And then you want to try to...
for you here.
You got it?
Yep.
And slide it in maybe the second shelf to start with.
This one?
Yep.
Perfect.
Perfect.
In the middle. Okay.
Magical.
Look at that.
Well done. Good job. We'll come back in an hour's time.
Set the timer.
Make a secret recipe.
Secret recipe, hey.
Secret recipe that you're sharing with the world.
Hey, we might not be yet. You never know.
Remember to like and subscribe.
Ollie's got the cranks because you've got to go home soon.
I'm relaxing.
Oh, you're relaxing. Oh, that's good.
That's his relaxed face.
It doesn't have a relaxed face.
That's why I've got to go back to school.
Oh!
Back to work face.
This is my other.
We'll give them a bit of a squeeze and see if they start to like. Still a bit chewy.
Yeah.
Purple flag.
It's a little bit older.
Righto. Might put a little bit more liquid in them because they've sort of tipped them out.
That's my love.
No. Everyone's. Oh no, let's that back in there. Holy jeez, that's hot.
Yeah.
That'll warm up, that's good. A little bit longer to cook them through and then we'll hang them.
Sounds good.
Just putting them in the tray and then we can transfer them back into the... Oh, perfect. Look at him, he actually looks good. Righto.
Lid on?
Yep, clamp the lid back up. Go as the bottom rung if you can. Oh no, yeah, that'll be right.
Yeah.
Yep. Right, now what we want to do, we actually want to move the frame close to the fire. No, because we want to sort of hang the frame close to the fire. So what, I might grab a glove off you. I don't care. I can have left if you want. So I'll hold the, if you want to, I'll hold the ribs if you want to move the frame and sort of set it up so it's those points are facing the fire like we did with the chook. Bit closer together, yeah. Righto, no. And if we can get like a small log just to put on the back of it. Yeah. Oh, we're right. Nope, no, we're not. We're not. Ash. Put that on the frame so holds the frame down.
Yep.
So it doesn't tip it forward.
Do you want me to find a smaller one?
No, that's okay. Good job. Oh no. Yeah, you just got to make sure we don't burn it. That's all we can ask for. See, it pays to cook like a caveman. It's really easy.
Yeah. Pretty quick. Doesn't like fast food.
Yeah, hope you didn't want to get home anytime tonight.
No. It gets easier later, it gets pretty good.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Just a bit of juice.
What's going on here? Can we get any brighter? That's better.
Do you need Pete to hold the camera?
No, useless.
Very light.
You might have one. Yep, all good. Slide him in under. The washing up's done there. Hey, gotta be happy with that. Yeah. Ah, just cut him in.
Or you
like,
just doing it?
yeah, like that. Yep. Perfect. Some of them will have a bone in them.
Yeah.
Good if I give you a sharp knife, wouldn't it?
I was trying to cheat. It's going to be quicker not to.
Magic.
Hot cocoa.
You don't like chocolate?
No, Milo.
You had Milo last night.
I've got another bottle there if we need to use it anymore.
You said that?
Yeah, we're not having it right now. We don't have time to do it right now. We're just doing these ribs. Perfect. Well done, Mel. Alright, kidlets. You got some plates, bowls, something to drink. Yes, popper. That's all got.
Righto, kidlets. Yours are over here.
Hang on. So, congratulations, Mel. Good work on the ribs.
Woo!
cracking job on the ribs. Cracking job. Ev, go inside. You get Colty in your plate. Go and get a Colt. Go and get a Colt plate. A Colt plate. Go and get a Colt plate.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing